Have you ever encountered a situation like this? When you're riding your beloved bicycle on the roadside, is the frame always easily damaged by collisions? Now our Bicycle Frame Factory will help you solve these problems. Our Bicycle Frame Factory, using the highest quality aluminum alloy material to make the frame, ensure that your bicycle has excellent durability and stability. Our frame designers have carefully designed, make the frame more sturdy and able to withstand more weight and impact. Our frame manufacturing process is also the most advanced. Welding of all aluminum alloy frames all have undergone T4 T6 heat treatment processing. Our Bicycle Frame Factory provides multiple frame styles and color choices. All frame external processing can also be contracted by our factory. Choose our Bicycle Frame Factory. Make your bicycle your best companion for sports.